I don't know. Maybe I skimmed over it in the ship? I don't know. It seems like it just keeps cycling through the thing. Like, whenever I'm on the Odyssey, when it says, let's pass the time, and it just always seems like it's the same shit over and over again. And not that. Okay. What was... Oh yeah, it was just Maya. Okay. Did I do this? Yeah, I did that one. Alright, so there is 2 left. I'm not cold. I wonder if that's... Oh wait, what was the art? Yeah. Okay, it was there. Not cold. Maybe? I don't know. Oh, I can't use it. Okay. Hooray! I don't know. I'm still there. I'm not cold. Let's see. Super Mario Odyssey. I'm not cold. Just do that Google shit. Oh, okay, that's an easy one. Hang on. Apparently I did not have to do much. Yeah. This looks better. So I have to have a hat. Let's go with a top. Alright. All I have to do is do that, and then talk to this guy. What is our racing uniform? The only uniform that counts. Nothing but undies. Wow, only a serious tough guy would brave this cold in nothing but undies. You're a real beast. Please take this. That was literally all I had to do. You're cold? You need to get more serious about training. Yeah. Let me go change. No, that's not what I keep forgetting. Like, I don't have to lock one thing in and then... Yeah. Here we go. Okay. So now that I've done all of that, because it should only be, yes, there's only one more left, and I know what to do. Does this still hurt me if I'm... Oh, yes, 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 it does. Not even a little bit of protection. Okay. You only needed 10 more, and yet I gave you this many. Let's say like 285? 292, okay. I missed a bunch. And I can go to the other place. Now we can head to the Seaside Kingdom. Let's chase down Bowser. Yeah, but I want to go back to that. Alright, then we'll get the quick artwork, we'll come back here, claim the moon, and then we can move on. That was a quick and easy and fun level, gotta admit. So they're serving frosted cake at the wedding, are they? Now if we serve them a defeat first. Seeing as how we've got some time to kill, let's be some music. Okay. Alright, so where was it? Go up. I go left. It's where, yes, where that big X cranky thing is. I just love that everything is plastic here. It's such a cool idea. What? Wait, literally? Oh yeah. Oh duh, I could have fucking... Okay, so... it's up there. Okay, so I gotta get up there. I like the music here too. No, get the fuck away. No. Man, I don't want to fucking deal with you again. Damn it. Now I remember why I hated this fucking level. Walking. Motherfucker, what do I do here? There. Stupid bird. Anyway, I'm fine, no problem. Let's go already. Yeah, please. Thank you. Whew. Motherfucking... Oh, it is the fucking rabbit. No! It's not the fucking button I wanted to use. I'm cursing so much. Okay, it better not take my fucking head again. I'm gonna be so mad. Okay, good. My shit again. Oh, come on! God, I hate this one. Good. I apparently hit the flag. Okay, what? That was it. Yay! Fairly easy. Bow! Okay. Trying to figure out where this was. Oh, I see. Oh my god. Is it here? Oh god. I mean... God damn it. Oh man. I don't know, could it be here? Oh my fucking god, it was this one! Ah, shit. I was gonna ride him back. Never mind. I got it, it's fine. Okay. There's that. Yes. I gotta go back to the Snow Kingdom. Skip. Skip. And that's not there. Okay. There we go. All right. Off to another kingdom. Go to Seaside. Go from the coldness to the hotness. Except with this heat, I'm willing to want it to go to the. I want it to go the other way around. I want it fucking cold. I want fall now. It's killing me in this heat. Side somersault. Yeah. Alright. Let's read up on the Seaside Kingdom. There's a carbonated sea that's supposed to be quite nice, and it says here to be sure we visit the 4 giant fountains. Carbonated water? Huh. Interesting idea. So it's like a soda? Oh wow, this is pretty! Bubbling. Oh my god, they look like gems, the little rocks. The glass is half empty. Whoa, what are you? It's your cool looking pirate hat thing that I want. What's on top of the fancy goblet? I don't know. Oh, it's little snail people! But pretended to be a beautiful ritual. Wait, that's not the snail. Bubbling used to be a beautiful resort until that foul creature showed up. Just look at him guzzling all of our treasured sparkle water. Won't you help us put a stop to him? No, I'm so angry, and I feel cute at the same time wearing my Ursula necklace. Tourists will visit Bubbling as long as that sucker's creeping around. I read that, like, I looked at it real quick and I thought it said ass sucker. Oh, them feet prints. Save some for us, you tentacled scoundrel. Look, Bowser prints. Which way did he go? My voices are blending together. The seawater here is fizzy as a soda. Oh, it's so refreshing. Really? What is it? Hey. Oh my god, I can hear it sizzling. That's so cool. Oh, that's. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, and I can feel the fizzy? That's so cool and weird. Oh my god, that's so cool! What are you? The crabbies? Okay. Ooh. Oh, and they got lovely French sounding music. Oh! I take back what I said, this place looks cool. I do. I take back everything I said. This place looks nice. Except for you. But We'll get there. You're purple, so I might like you. I don't know. There's a dinosaur. And wait, he's purple. He's a store? Oh! Oh my god! Okay, I'm gonna take a break though. I'm gonna take a break every level that I complete. That's gonna be my thing. Okay. How you holding up, Mario? I thought you were a fan. Yeah, you're hot now. Yeah. Yeah, I'll get you changed soon, buddy. I promise. Next session.